P0022, a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 2. And guys, before we start, I just want to remind you that in this channel, we are attempting to explain all the existing engine faults from P0000 to P3499. So subscribe now, so this channel will be your engine fault codes library. So the P0022 a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 2. What does that mean? This diagnostic trouble code DTC is a generic powertrain code, which means that it applies to OBD2 equipped vehicles, including but not limited to VW, Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Audi, Acura, etc. A P0022 code refers to the VVT, variable valve timing, or VCT, variable camshaft timing components, and the car's PCM powertrain control module, or ECM, engine control module. VVT is a technology used in the engine to allow it to get greater power or efficiency at different running points. That consists of a few different components, but the P0022 DTC specifically refers to the camshaft cam timing. In this case, if the cam timing is over retarded, the engine light will be illuminated and the code will be set. The A camshaft is either the intake, left, or front camshaft. Potential symptoms. Most likely this DTC will result in one of the following: hard starting, poor idle, and/or stalling. There are potentially other symptoms as well. Of course, when trouble codes are set, the malfunction indicator lamp, aka the check engine light, illuminates. Causes. A P022 DTC trouble code may be caused by one or more of the following: incorrect camshaft timing, wiring problems, harness or wiring, in intake timing control valve control solenoid system, continuous oil flow to VCT piston chamber, failed timing valve control solenoid stuck open. Possible solutions. The main thing to check is to verify the operation of the VCT solenoid. You're looking for a sticking or stuck VT solenoid valve caused by contamination. Refer to vehicle-specific repair manual to perform component tests for the VCT unit. Notes: dealer techs have advanced tools and the ability to follow detailed troubleshooting steps, including the ability to test components using a scan tool. Other related DTCs: P0010, P0011, P0012, P0020, P0021. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.